What up?
My name's Jeremy.
I'm Maddie.
And we taught...
Level 2 classiques.
That's right, the classiques.
The classiques, including today's Wet and Wild Peekaboo.
Yes.
Peekaboo, yes.
Peekaboo, that's right.
It went like...
We did it from a swing out. Looks
Yes.
like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And really, that was that part of it. The last part's extra. And then
We did breakaways.
we did some cool breakaway.
Yeah, breakaway singular.
We did it like this.
Out of a swing out.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's what we did.
Oh yeah.